Dear YouTube, I have a confession to make. I have never owned the Apple Pencil 2. I have always been using the Stoco stylus. I have always kept it inside of a sleeve, just so no one would notice it's not an Apple Pencil. Hey, it's V. Let's get started. My iPad Mini 6 is my favorite go-to device I like to bring with me wherever I go. It combos well with my Apple Pencil 2, but for someone starting out and looking for more of a budget stylus to pick up, I have a budget stylus for you today. This can be picked up off Amazon for under $30, and the main thing that stood out to me was that transparent look. It just looks that good. Inside the box, you get the stylus. There is an indicator light that will light up when charging. You get the instructions. You get a couple user replaceable tips. Stoco has another stylus which I've used for a bit. This one does charge with USB Type-C, but the transparent one charges wirelessly, like what the Apple Pencil 2 will do, and here the magnets are quite strong. Literally, this could raise the Titanic. Any non-Apple styluses will work even when the Bluetooth is off. To actually pair it, all you have to do is find it on your Bluetooth settings, connect to it, and that's it. Nothing else is needed. Realistically, this is just a normal stylus. It offers wireless charging. The magnets are really strong. The price point is under $30, so it won't break anyone's bank. Plus, I just like that transparent look. It's a nice throwback to the Nintendo 64. With it being a non-Apple stylus, it does not have the pressure-sensitive tip. If you like to draw a lot, this might not be for you. It only offers one level of shading. It does not have the double tap feature from switching to pen or eraser. But at the same point, this can be used with any iPad. Even with the Bluetooth off, this will work with any iPad, the Air, the Pros, the entry-level one. It doesn't matter how old it is, this will work with any of them. That can be a pro for anyone who's looking for an inexpensive stylus, for anyone who doesn't want to pay over $100 for the Apple Pencil. Even the new Apple Pencil, the 3rd gen, is the same exact thing as this, more than double the price, because the 3rd gen Apple Pencil loses all the main pro features of the 2nd pencil, and it's the same exact thing as what I have here for more than double the price. You have to ask yourself, why would anyone pick up a non-Apple stylus over the official one? The biggest factor is price. This is under $30. The Apple Pencil 3 goes for around $80. The Apple Pencil 2 is over $100, so this is less than half of the price of the other two. With non-Apple styluses, you do not get the pressure-sensitive drawing, so if you like to draw a lot, you can't really shade. You lose the double tap feature from switching from pen to eraser. You also lose latency. The stylus will not be as fast as the Apple Pencil 2. Those are the 3 main differences between this and the Apple Pencil 2. At the same time, you don't need Bluetooth to use this. This will work with any iPad out there. 4th gen, 5th gen, 6th gen, any of the older iPads will work. It'll work with the 9th gen, the 10th gen, the Pros, the Air, the Mini 6. It will work with any of them out of the box. You don't have to pair with every iPad. The Apple Pencil 3 is the same exact thing as this, but more than double the price for a budget stylus that offers the same features as a 3rd gen Apple Pencil for less than half the price. It really is one to consider because a lot of people are turned off by non-Apple styluses. If you like to navigate around, doing some light drawing, just anything really, this really is one to consider. It charges wirelessly, so no cables are needed. The price point is very competitive. It also just looks super slick. I always like seeing the guts of any product. It looks that good. It's your typical stylus. It offers enough features, and this is one I really do like. So, like always, it's V, stay classy.